Want to start investing, but are you scared? Think, if the market falls, will I lose my money? No, friends, investing is not a risk, but rather the seed of future freedom. And in today's video, I'll show you how you can start your investment journey with just $10. Even if you're a student, a job seeker, or a complete beginner. Many people think that investing costs thousands of dollars. But the truth is, the earlier you start, the more you can make big profits with less money. I won't invest because I don't have money. It's like I won't buy rice because I don't have rice. We have some misconceptions, like I can't start because I don't have enough money. Risk means loss. I don't understand finance, so I stay away. Understand your goals. What do you want? Savings, returns, additional income, future security. How long will you keep the money? Short term or long term? Choose an easy and safe route. Mutual fund. Why mutual fund? Can be started with little money. Professional fund manager manages the money. Low risk because it is divided into many shares. You can start with Groww, Zerodha. You can start with $10 with Vanguard, Fidelity. SIP versus Lumpsum. Which one should you choose? If income is small, SIP, invest monthly. If you suddenly get some money, lump sum. Investment plan for complete beginners. Invest $20 per month. Choose index fund or balanced mutual fund. Expect 10 to 12% return per year. Compounding will work. Keep it for 5 to 10 years. If you start today, a strong foundation will be created for you in the next 10 years. But if you delay for another 2 years, you will get a few lakhs less, just for the time being. The first investment means taking responsibility for the future in your own hands. If you really want to do something for yourself, want to make your own money, then start today. If you don't do it today, someone else will take your place. Watch now. Mutual Fund Explained, A to Z Guide for Beginners. After watching this video, you will understand everything about mutual funds, how to choose a fund, which fund is best for you, and which mistakes you should avoid. The link is given below. Don't miss it. And subscribe to the channel, because more amazing financial guides are coming.